In this video, I'll show you how to create a hygienic tattoo setup using various products, and I'll also demonstrate the proper way to pack the tattoo machine. First, I wash my hands and then put on gloves. It's important to note that whenever an unpackaged product is handled, new gloves must be used afterward. I cut out the glove changes after each step from the video. I spray the clean work surface with surface disinfectant and then wrap it in plastic wrap. It may not be a beauty contest, but it's hygienic. Next, I tape down the table cover. I've diluted the green soap with distilled water in a ratio of 1:10. This is used to wipe off excess ink on the skin. I also wrap the bottle with plastic wrap. Using a wooden spatula, I take Vaseline from the container and apply it to the work surface. Then I take color caps, depending on how many you want to use, and stick them to the work surface with Vaseline. Now, I clean my machine thoroughly with surface disinfectant. Afterward, I wrap the machine. I use tape to secure the plastic to the machine, making sure it covers the machine all the way to the front edge so that the needle module just fits into the machine. The same goes for the back. For machines with a cable, a clip cord sleeve should be used to cover the cable. As mentioned before, fix it with tape. I also wrap the power supply. It's essential to mention that everything touched during the tattoo process must be wrapped. I wrap grip wrap around the handle, and the thickness varies for everyone. You'll need to experiment to find what works best for you. I prefer it to be thinner. I insert the needle module into the machine, ensuring that the machine is not visible to prevent contamination. I would be delighted if you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment as it supports the YouTube algorithm. You know how it goes. Enjoy tattooing, and good luck on your journey.